Hey guys, welcome back. So this is my first ever pack with me because for all of our trips before we just jumped right into the vlogs basically. But I'm still wearing my same clothes from the past video, and there's a cop. I hear the siren. Let's wait for that to pass. But yeah, I'm still in the same outfit from the Disney itinerary video. And that is because I just have today really to kind of get all of my videos out, pack a little bit, and just get ready for our Disney trip, which is in 6 days, I think, right? Anyway, literally, I guess we're just gonna pop up, same thing like before, pop up right over here. Let me scooch over. But this is my little packing list, and it is probably a smart thing to grab my phone so I can actually talk about it. We're just gonna jump into this because in the itinerary video, I broke down what our days are gonna look like. And when I mean days, I should probably specify it's only 2 days we're going for, but at least you can see what I'm gonna pack for a 2-day trip to Disney World. So first thing we're gonna go over is clothing. And I feel like it's obnoxious if I hold my phone here, but I feel like I'm just gonna like speak off the phone really quick just because I know we can see it here. But anyway, I am bringing 3 shorts. My Mickey Not So Scary outfit is actually a little dress that I want to wear with those ears right there. And those are the only ears actually that I'm bringing on the whole trip. But then I am bringing my Dino shirt because of course Dino Land is shut in. We're just not going to talk about it. Undergarments, 3 pairs of socks, and then my On Cloud sneakers. So when it came to packing for this trip, I feel like oh my god, I forgot pajamas in the list. I'll add that in so it's there when it's ready. So anyway, when it comes to packing for this trip, I don't expect us to go crazy because it's only 2 days, but I just want us to feel like we have enough, and even if we don't end up using everything, at least it's just 2 days and we have the suitcase to be able to pick through everything. Then next for jewelry, I am bringing my Walt Disney World necklace. I love it, it's so cute. And then actually, I wear this necklace like all the time, and I started wearing it since I got engaged last year because this necklace can hold onto my ring, and essentially it will hold it if I ever need to take it off or anything. And that is because with my ring, it is, yes, diamond, but there is also opal, and opal is such a fragile stone that I try not to really like get it wet or anything. Or even like if I'm eating something messy, I can throw it on here and I'm good to go. Next little thing is I actually found some Mickey earrings that I will show later in the video, and they are little pumpkins that are, you know, just cutesy, very little, because then I'm gonna wear most likely these earrings or just another like normal set of earrings for travel day and Animal Kingdom day. And then that's really it for jewelry. Then for electronics, you know, we're gonna bring the camera. We're gonna bring the camera batteries. I actually have to go to my car and get the wire for the portable charger that I'm bringing to connect to my phone, because the portable charger we have is USB, just USB, that's it. Because of course now all the Apple phones are USB-C, but my car charger has the USB plug. So I wrote that down specifically to remember to go get that on Saturday. But then the tripod for our needs, and then the Magic Band chargers, and just Magic Bands in general to be able to enter the park. And that's really, you know, that's really it for electronics. Now for our Disney related items. First one is Magic Bands, and in May we upgraded our Magic Bands. You know, I'm saying upgraded, we bought Magic Bands once on our first ever trip. Then we always used the little card that they gave us just because we thought the other ones weren't really working. It probably was, we just said forget it, and we ended up like using the cards. But then knowing that we were going for a full week in May and like we're gonna scan into a lot of lightning lanes and everything, we just decided to get Magic Band Plus. I feel like even thinking of it now, do we need them? Maybe. I don't know, we'll see. I feel like it's like a fun accessory to have. Then we have our fans, because of course it is Florida, it is hot. but it's also at a time of the year we've never went, so we will see if those fans really get taken out a lot more than they did in May. Then we have a little pin trade-in bag because in May we were just throwing pins in my bag, throwing pins in Nick's bag, and I have like a little mini little bag that I said let's just throw our pins into that just so we know where they are at all times and not making ourselves crazy. And then we got Mickey ears, like I said, those ones right there is what I'm bringing. And then the gift cards that we have a food gift card that we have for May, and then I bought my own, Nick bought his own for personal spending, a water bottle because hydration, and then a grocery bag specifically for the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, only because online I saw they give you so much candy that people recommend like bringing another one, like if you want that much candy. And I personally, I don't want that much candy. I asked my mom and she said yeah, bring a lot of candy home, so that is why we're going to bring a grocery bag so that we can then fill that, throw it in a backpack, and then get more, I guess, through our little trick-or-treat bags if we even decide to do that. Then we have my park bag, which is just my little simple over-the-shoulder bag, and then our popcorn bucket because Disney popcorn is just one of the best popcorns out there. I am not a fan of popcorn with butter on it, and the fact that Disney of course does not do that, it is just like the pop secret whatever, I love and adore. So popcorn bucket is coming. And lastly is our toiletries, and I know it's only 2 days, but we need a few essentials, and it's gonna be hard for us with our little TSA like little Ziploc bags that we can only bring since we're doing a carry-on, not a checked luggage. But Nick is gonna have one, I'm gonna have one, and the first thing is going to be face wash because, you know, we're gonna get real sweaty down there. I'm not going to bed without washing my face, taking that off, and then moisturizing my face, just feel a little bit better about myself. So after those two, you know, toothbrush, paste. Then for my hair, I'm probably gonna wear it up most of the trip unless on travel day I decide to keep it down. But I want to bring 2 claw clips, one that I like, and then one of my Disney ones, probably for Animal Kingdom. And then a few hair ties just in case again I decide actually I want this today, then at least I have that with me. My hairbrush, given of course, little body spray, makeup, sunscreen, that's all more for me. Of course Nick will wear sunscreen too, but definitely more of my essentials. Because then we have wet wipes, we have little mini lint rollers because in my previous video, I'll turn the camera really quick, we have that one, that's Toulouse, and we also have Artemis, and you know, cat hair, she's a thing and she's annoying. That is why we have lint rollers. So after that, some deodorant, and then a first aid kit because you never know if you're gonna get cut, if you're gonna need whatever, so we'll just have that just to make sure we're okay. So yeah, that's all that we're pretty much bringing, unless I decide to throw something in last minute, but I will definitely show like our bag once it's packed. So for tonight, I'm only gonna pack like half of it, basically everything that I don't need right now, because then on Thursday and Saturday, that is when I'm going to finalize everything, make sure our bag is completely good for Saturday. But really, I've never done, like I said, I've never done one of these, so I'm not too sure like what else to talk about, because when it comes to like any prep, I don't feel the need to really go to Target and get anything because I kind of have everything that I need. My nails, I paint them, so I will just paint them on Saturday. I feel like that's really it. Like, what else can we really talk about? Because later in the video, I want to do a in-flight bag, which is definitely not going to be a crazy lot, but I felt like it could just add a little bit more to this video. But, so it is Monday, and the next time I plan on picking up this camera is, like I said, either Thursday or Saturday. But we have 6 days until we're in Disney World, and I'm so excited. Who's not excited to not go back? You know, I think the next time you guys will see me is on Thursday or Saturday, but let's just get through this week. Let's get through work so that we can go to Disney World. Hi guys, we have made it to Saturday and I am tired, and that's because we just got off of work. but I've been home for like about an hour and I've already like started to put even like the last minute things together. Did it just get darker? That's okay. So in Nick's backpack, we are actually gonna put my like change of outfits into his bag because I don't want to have to like keep pulling in and out of the suitcase, where I have simple, just very simple shorts to change into when we get down there. Because I'm gonna wear leggings in the plane tomorrow, and then I have my little Mickey's Not So Scary sundress. And that's really it. That's gonna be in Nick's backpack, because I would assume Nick, the cold does not bother him, so I'm pretty sure he might just rock shorts tomorrow morning, where I cannot. So I just have to wait for him to come home and then we will get the backpack situated. But I do have the carry-on right next to me, where I could just show you guys real quick how simple it really is, I guess, for us, because again, it's only 2 days, so we're not packing like a whole lot. So on this side, this is what's gonna go in Nick's backpack. So we have the popcorn bucket, we have my makeup, which is in truly, I don't know if I can get like those TSA like little baggies. I probably could. I just have always done a little Ziploc bag just because it's easier, like with us doing little mini trips. But then in this bag, it's all the brushes, the combs, so we're just gonna keep that there. Nick's magic band, then my outfits, because then on this side it is literally shorts, socks, undergarments, playing cards that I probably should put in Nick's backpack, so let me actually switch that there. Then this is going to be in the carry-on. This is just our deodorants, little spray, little wipes, ears, jewelry, my dino shirt, and then this is the electronics bag. So I realized yesterday, instead of doing an in-flight bag, I should probably do a park bag. I think that might be Nick. We'll have to see in a couple seconds. But that's mainly because, again, this is only 2 days, so I'm not really, this isn't like what our usual Disney trips look like. So everything usually is in a backpack, so it's gonna be in this carry-on now. But then I can show just what I'm gonna bring into the parks. As I knew, here is Nick. So I'm actually so delusional. I was just talking to the lens and I was not recording. But basically, Nick left the room so I can do my little what's in my park bag. And Toulouse is by my side, and if anyone does not know who Toulouse is, it is our little cat who loves to be in everyone's way. He wants all the attention, so if he jumps up, I will probably cut whatever he interrupts, if he interrupts. This bag, very simple little crossbody. I got it on Amazon for our May trip because this bag, when I have the tripod connected to the camera, it fits like perfectly in it. I want to say it's like 15 inches, maybe. But so that's literally the reason we got this bag, just so it could fit the camera and the tripod. But so it has lots of compartments, and we used to keep the pins in the front and in the back. But this time around, yes, nothing's in the front. That's okay. And then, so this little drawer. Anyway, so first I have my magic band. Then next, this is gonna be our little pin trader bag. Because lastly, this is my little wallet. This has been my go-to little wallet for almost all of my trips for about like 3 years, I think. And it is just so convenient. Do I use any of these? No. I just like this little part in the middle that holds all the cards, cash. So this is my little wallet for the 2 days. And then in main drawer, I have, wait, why did I put my wallet in here? Anyway, that's funny. So then I have tripod. I have mini lint roller because of Toulouse. We have the portable charger, but I still have to go run to my car and get the wire that connects to the USB. Then I have a little bit of tissues. And then once we like land in Orlando, that is where out of the carry-on, we're gonna transfer and put the wet wipes, the flushable wipes. And that's it, right? And then the hand sanitizer that I have in mine. And the little lip products and the sunscreen. So a few little things once we get down there that I get to put actually into this bag. So that bag is very convenient for the parks because it's small and it's not like heavy where it's weighing on my shoulders like all day. So that's my little park bag. Literally, we just really gotta like tidy this up and, you know, shut it, and then we're pretty much set for Disney. But tonight, I know we can all see this, so we're gonna take care of this tonight. I already finished my eyebrows earlier today, and then I'm gonna cut Nick's hair tonight. What else? I gotta repaint my nails, and honestly, I guess we will see what else we need really. But I'm just tired. You know, it's okay. I knew I was going to work today, and I know I'm going to work on Tuesday. I almost forgot. I wanted to show the little earrings that I got for Mickey's Not So Scary. Oh shoot, I just dropped one. So I am currently wearing the Walt Disney World necklace now, just because, you know, it's easier. You know, this is giving me a challenge. We got these cutesy little pumpkin earrings, and I cannot wait to wear these, because my outfit, it's very simple, only because, again, we could have dressed up for the Halloween party, but I don't know, I just, maybe another year, just because it's only like a 2-day trip, and maybe when we go for a full week it'll be more fun to get ready for it and everything. But for right now, I'm gonna go see Nick, since this was like the first time I'm seeing him all day, and then I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hi guys. Different scenery right now, and that is because we are doing our very little last minute errands, which is bank and gas. Here you go, Nick. Thank you so much. So we had some dinner. We're just chilling now at this point, because we're like 12 hours from being on a plane.
Yeah,
so
pretty much.
Yeah, no, hopefully, I mean, we'll see how this pack and prep goes, because I feel like I went super quick with it when I did not mean to. We cannot wait to start vlogging this trip in literally less than 10 hours, or even 9 maybe at that point. I forgot, we're waking up at 2:30 a.m. So I guess with that, we will just see you guys in the next one.